Alright guys, so I just wanted to do a very quick video. So we're going to be building this random color changer where we just have to click this button and the background color of the board is going to change. So this is what we'll be building guys. So I'm just going to close this and I'm going to come to my desktop and create a new folder, and I'm going to name this folder color random color changer, and I'm going to open this with Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to create my HTML file and my JavaScript file. I'll put down my boilerplate, and I'm going to change the text content for the title to random color changer. Then we're just going to have a button here, so a button that says change color, and I'm going to bring in my script to link in my JavaScript. I'm just going to save this and open with live server. So this is just what we have here. I'm going to share my screen. So we're just going to add some styling. Since we're not going to be adding much styling, I'm going to put it at the head. So I'm going to put in my style tag, and I'm going to select the body. I'll set the width to 100 viewport width and the height to 90 viewport height. And I'm going to use display flex to center the button at the middle of the page. So I'm going to change this to flex, and I'm going to set justify content. So justify content to center and align items to center also. So if I save, we have the button at the middle of the page. So I also want to get rid of this screw bar here. So I'm going to set overflow to hidden. So if I save that, it gets rid of the screw bar. Now I'm just going to add some little styling to the button. So button, because we have only one button on the page, and I'm going to set padding 1 rem for top and bottom, then 0.5 rem for left and right. And I'm also going to change the font size to 1.2 rem and save. So this is what we have. So I'll come over to my JavaScript file. First, I'm going to declare a variable called colors and set it to array of colors. So const colors, and this is going to be an array. So we have red, green, blue, yellow, pink, purple. I'm just thinking of any color that comes into my mind. So can put coral, uh, sea blue, sea blue. What color can we add to this? So can add gray. So let's just use all this color here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add an event listener to this board to the button. So each time you click the button, you want the color of the body, the background color of the body to change. So I'm going to select the button with query selector to document dot query selector. Since we have just one button on the page, I can actually use the name of the tag. So I'm just going to use button. Then I'm going to add a click event listener. So dot add event listener. And we're going to listen for a click. And when that event fires off, I'm going to call a function called change color. So I'll come over here and declare the function. So change color. So the first thing I want to do, I want to be able to get the colors in this array randomly. So to do that, I'm going to declare a variable and I'm going to call it index. I'll set this to math.random to get a random number. And I'm just going to log index in the console. So if I log index, I'm going to open my console, and each time I click the button to get a random number. Now I want a number that is going to be from 0 to 8 because the length of the array is 9. So I'm going to multiply this with colors dot length and save. So if I click again, notice we get 71380. So the highest number we are going to have is 8. So next, I want to get rid of the numbers and the numbers after the decimal point and decimal point. So to do that, I'm going to wrap this in math.floor to turn this into from a floating point number to a whole number. So I'm going to say math.floor. So if I click, get 76120 8. So we're going to get from 0 to 8. So I'm just going to get rid of the console.log here. And the next thing we want to do is to set um, the background color of the body to any of these random colors. So to do that, I'm going to say document dot body dot style. Then we want the background color to background color, and I'm going to set this to colors, and I'm going to set index as the index of colors. So we are generating a random number with the index variable. So this is going to get a random color. So I'm going to pass in index to access any of the colors in the array to save. So I'm going to close my console, and if I click, the background color changes. So, all right, guys, I just wanted to create this quick project to keep you updated with something. I hope you like it. If you like it, you can share this video with your friends. Make sure you leave a like, and you also subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed and you are a new user. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you next time.